No, I think
Yeah, we'll
this
start
position's
rolling.
probably easier here left.
Which
Yeah.
one do you want?
Pull
Will
out
you
the
roll up
shirt.
your sleeves? Yeah, let's see what you got. Let me,
See what you're packing here.
We can develop some vascular nature.
well, yeah, I can,
Veins, I don't see any.
yeah, I think we'll be going right here probably. Yeah, looks good. We'll hit that arm.
Do you have it on?
Very proud of them.
Huh?
Do you have this thing on?
It's rolling.
Hi.
Maybe you'll probably have to do the thing.
How come we can't see it?
Well, because my phone is turned off.
Shit, that was really
Don't you want to know if you're in the right zone?
backward baseball.
Yeah, Ezra, will you turn on my phone?
Comfortable with this
Ezra.
legalized weed t-shirt. Who is
Will
this?
you just check the angle, right? Make sure everything's going good.
That's a marijuana
It's,
leaf.
That's seaweed, honey.
I think.
So apparently
You're
there's
biased.
a t-shirt shop in downtown, in Silver. Downtown Silver. I do one, but it has a t-shirt that says Oregon is above California.
What do we need? Just this tube,
I've
Louise?
seen someone wear that.
Just that tube.
And what is this a twist 3 times tube?
Yes.
Do you think the twins would
'Kay.
think that was funny?
So can I just review with you for a minute?
Yeah, let's go over it real quick.
Okay. You're gonna put the needle onto here, so it's ready to go.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna put the tourniquet on.
It's looking good.
You're gonna alcohol.
Yeah.
You're gonna put the needle in, push the tube in. Before you remove the tube, you're gonna undo the tourniquet. Then you're gonna pull the tube off, shake it a second. Then you're gonna pull the needle out and put this cotton ball on top of where you pulled the needle out.
Pull the needle cotton ball. Yeah.
And then you're gonna pop that
No,
over top of the
pop.
needle so that
Yeah.
you're
Wait,
protected.
Elijah, get a close up of his veins.
Wait.
Oh,
All right.
I can see your hairy leg on the bottom of your helmet.
Stop. My workplace, Ezra. Ask before you do shit.
Wait, look at me again.
All right. Let's sterilize your arm here.
do the thing?
Yeah, we'll do that after I sterilize.
In theory, you're not supposed to really have the tourniquet on for more than a minute or so before you draw it, so if
I
it
can
takes a
handle it.
few- You
Yeah.
don't want your
Uh,
blood to get clumpy.
Oh no.
In an outward moving circle. How's the angle, Ezra?
Good.
Professional.
All right.
Okay.
The needle's on this side, right?
Yes. So you're gonna.
Cool. So the other side.
Yes. That's also a needle. It just looks hidden.
I think it is hidden. All right. And then do we need to pull this out?
You're gonna
Away.
lift that up.
Lift this up, pick that off.
Yes.
Let's take him. This thing.
Yes.
Pop
Make
it.
sure your hands aren't
Twist it.
blocking the camera.
Tourniquet. This.
You're gonna tourniquet
That.
before you pop the
Stop
tube
it.
off.
Twist it.
Pull it. Shout it.
Sorry, the lighting is so bad.
Yeah, get us some good lighting in here, Louise. I don't think I have low light turned on. All right,
There.
you
Oh,
flex
yeah.
your arm a couple of times.
It's a little overexposed, but it's good. It's good.
Okay, don't show him. He's
All right.
trying to
So we're
expand.
going.
So hold the tube in your hand so that it's ready to go.
No, because I need to stabilize the vein.
Yes, but your tube should be right in here. Can you do that? Hold that with your baby finger. Great. Beautiful.
Pop it.
Yep. Beautiful.
Oh,
Well done.
I like the angle. This is good. The lighting.
Where?
Just
Is this all right, Curtis?
That's good. That's
Mhm.
good.
Good. Think that's solid, Louise?
Yes, now take the tourniquet off first.
Oh, look at those veins.
Now pull the tube. Shake the tube. Get the cotton ball. And don't push down until the needle's out, because that can feel weird. And now wait, pop the top of the pink over. Beautiful.
Ooh, well done.
Just on our sharps.
Yeah, no, twist it off. While
One-
in the
You
sharps.
can have Curtis hold the cotton ball.
Hey, Curtis, would you hold the cotton ball for me?
That's a little bit too much for me to do.
All right. Well,
I'm lazy.
No, yeah. Yes. Beautiful. There's your Band-Aid.
Nice work.
Well done.
Yes, well done with the patient too.
Oh, thank
The
you.
part that matters, you didn't hesitate with at all, right? You just like smoothly put it in there.
Exactly. Well done.
It's fairly smooth. I think I kept it fairly stable while it was in there.
Felt pretty
I was
stable to me.
okay. That's good.
So now
I was,
pick up the garbage with your hand.
If
Pick
we're
up
picking
that,
garbage,
that,
might be
and
cutting
this.
The video lash.
And now pull
Negative.
your glove
Negative.
over
This was
top
the
of
best
it so it's
part.
all in there.
please, Louise. I know how to do this.
Okay.
Here.
And then put that on the other one. Great.
Oh,
Oh, ball it up more.
from the inside.
Oh, that was good.
Well done.
Mediocre.
Legit.
Into the shark container.
Not into the
C
garbage.
plus.
Garbage. Now we get to label the blood.
Oh,
And
my
luckily,
goodness.
We don't have to go to the office to spin it because we will just send it that way.
Oh, and we get a close up of the frying pan.
All right, we can.
Cup feed.
Well, wait. No, don't cut the feed. We need some reactions. How was that, guys?
Wait.
I need some ratings.
The camera up, I can't see their faces.
Smooth. Yes.
Flatline.
Camera angle.
Flatline. Tonya thinks people will flatline because they're so excited.
More.
Camera up. Yikes. Oh no, guys, the angle was bad.
What?
Oh, sorry.